Hey guys, what's going on? It's your boy Vismo here. Today I am bringing you a rather odd comparison today. The camera comparison that we have, of course, it's gonna be with the iPhone 11 Pro Max and this little guy. This is the GoPro Hero 6. I was very curious about the quality of image and video this will push out, so I figure I put it up to this. The reason why I put it up with this, I'm gonna make this really short. The reason why I put it up with this is, as you know, the iPhone has 3 cameras. It has a ultra wide, it has a telephoto, and it has a standard. The ultra wide goes 0.5 times down, so you get a wider view, as well as the GoPro itself has that capability. The reason why I chose to put this little guy up with this guy, even though there's an advantage. The advantage is your iPhone has, it has attributes. The attributes that defines this is the fact that it's a PC in your pocket. You have the option of making a call, texting, browsing the web, camera control, and this is possible because of Apple A13 Bionic chip. And what this Bionic chip does, it pretty much makes your phone smarter, faster, as well as this little guy has the GP1 chip out of GoPro. So what the GP1 chip does in this guy, it pretty much makes it smarter. When I say smarter, you got the option of choosing different options in terms of video type. You can change ISOs, you can change shoot modes, you can take photos, not only videos, so it's well customized. So pretty much a GPA1 chip make this smarter. So I really took it out for a spin today, and I must tell you, these two devices, they both shoot 4K 60 frames per second, and I always shoot in 4K 20 frames per second, and I downscale it to 1080p 60 frames per second. But I was paying attention today and I seen how 4K 60 looks on the camera. I was very impressed with it. Take a look at this. So 24 frames per second is what most movie production company use to make it more buttery smooth, as well as the higher the frame goes, the more realistic it is, like really fast for your eye. It's not only wide, there's a settings in here that's called linear. What linear does is pretty much computer in this little machine turns it into a standard lens, so it pulls it in a little bit where you have crop control. You can actually zoom in. It's not as much zoom because this is really an action camera. So most of all the videos that, well, I say most of the videos that you see that comes out of this is done with the ultra wide, because it mimics the ultra wide on this camera. I was very impressed with both. I like it. They both have their same use. If you're an adventurer, this is the guy for you. If you're like me, you just like technology, this is for you. But let's say you can afford only this and you can't afford this. Well, you can use this. But just remember, this is waterproof. This can go up to 10 meters, 33 feet deep without problems. The only problem is you can't touch the screen while you're in the water. Same with the iPhone. The iPhone only go, I think, 8 meters. So it doesn't go that far. And they'll tell you in the iPhone commercial that the iPhone goes 8 meters, but it's not recommended. And if your iPhone is damaged in water, Apple will not replace it. You have to probably purchase a new device. So take my advice, don't put your iPhone in water. just saying, like the guys who did it on YouTube, they can afford it, but don't put your devices in water. This use a micro SD card, and both cameras are 12 megapixel. So we're gonna dive in and watch the video. I'm gonna set up a little video. I was shooting with my Sony a6600. Reason why I was shooting with that is because it has the flip out screen, so I use that. Even though I get a crop, I use the Sony 1.4 24mm G Master lens, which I'm talking to you right now. Reason why I use that, it's a very good lens, G mastered, and it has great colors, take great photos and videos, and it's only 24mm, so I get to keep it out there and get most of my torso in frame. So guys, enjoy the video. Subscribe to my channel. It's your boy Mac Vismo. All right, we out. So okay, this is the wide angle camera from the iPhone 11 Pro Max with the audio as well. You want to see how much of me the wide angle camera is taking in. I'm walking fast right now. I'm not sure if this lens is stabilized on the iPhone, and I'm not sure if the GoPro is stabilized as well, but let's see what the audio sounds like from this. Audio sound like, if it sounds good or not. While I'm riding, it's pretty windy. This is 4K 60 frames per second. So we're gonna see how that looks versus the iPhones.